Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to take the twin turbo Forester out for a drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to get this running and out into the backyard here, and later tonight we'll head out for another drive, or first drive since doing the drain and these heat shields. So hopefully we are not smoking and leaking oil everywhere. Alright guys, so I don't have a gauge at the moment for the O2 sensor and for the water temp, so we're going to be running the laptop on the passenger seat while we drive. So let's get that hooked up and let's get it running. Boop. So we are in the software. Looking up here, we've only got 2 boost gauges, so we need a third health tech one, which will have the O2 sensor hooked up to it. It'll have oil pressure, it'll have water temp, and pretty much anything you can read from here. I think you can have 4 displayed on it, but you can also swipe it, so you can have, I think, 16 maybe. Anyway, we need to get one of them so I can drive around without a laptop, because I'm going to be freaking out that I'm overheating and running lean and everything. So I've got to get one of them in before we do some decent driving, but you can still cruise around for a little bit and have a look on here, set up all the safeties so we don't blow it up. I'm not running a lot of boost. I think the most we hit was like 16, which isn't really that much, but it hit 16, and once the external wastegate opens, it drops it back down because it's not pushing the air into the smaller turbo. So we're running it pretty damn safe. Let's get it started up and see what's going on. Next time I'll update it. There we go. Right, let's start her up. So I've got O2 sensor, got coolant temp, we've got everything, intake air, bolts. So all that we could display on one of the health tech gauges. So yeah, at the moment we don't have oil pressure here. We have it here, and this flashes, so, and beeps. Next time I turn it off and we'll reset it. So we do have some safety there, but I'd rather have safety on the health tech, so just need to wire one in. I've got all the wiring down there for it, so should be fine. The sensors are actually pretty expensive. Yeah, I think 250 or 300 bucks each. Anyway, just warming up, and yeah, we'll just get it out of the garage for later. Oh, I can feel spider webs in the footwell. We might scrub. Getting warm. I think I forgot to tie it down. Yep. Alright, so just turned her off. We'll have dinner and whatnot, and we'll head out for a drive a little bit later. Need to go get some fuel for it, so yeah, should be good. She's idling a bit higher than normal. Let's see how we go. It's going down the street and back, and later tonight we'll go get some fuel for her. It's pretty damn hot, and it's like time that people are coming home. It'll be busy out there. I haven't driven out for a while. I think I just scrubbed. Ooh. It was a lot different to the SG. Spider webs. Can't remember how to function FA. Can't remember. Just pull over. Logging F6. Alright. Start logging then. Alright. See if I scrub. Nope. Pretty hot today. No scrub. Sounds like we've got a leak. Whoa. As soon as I went into park, it's gone up to like 1500, 1600 RPM. Work out what's going on there. Alright guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. We did go out for a little drive, not much. Probably heard some whooshing noises and whatnot, but I do think we have an intercooler leak, which we're going to sort out, and that'll be next episode. We'll head out tonight, that'll be next episode, to go get some fuel, and I'll also have a look at the log and see what was going on. So yeah, tune in for next episode when we check out all that stuff. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.